So it looks like the home brewers will be getting a little bit of a workout there and get busy and making their own home brew and avoid those price hikes. Let's see what's going on out there. Live Doppler 2X, Western Ohio, Eastern Indiana. We're seeing dry weather from Indianapolis over to Columbus, down to Cincinnati, up to Lima. And it is going to be a beautiful night. Mostly clear skies expected across the region. We're watching the tropics once again. We have an area of disturbed weather east of Cuba. That is moving off to the northwest. Up here, the Carolinas. Now, not a storm yet, not a tropical depression, but it's being monitored very closely by the Tropical Prediction Center, so we may have another named storm coming up here in the next day or two. 81 degrees our high today, 56 the low this morning, with a record high of 99, 1903, and back in 1891 all the way down to 48 degrees, and clear skies tonight in the Dayton area. We're down to 70 with a west wind at 3, dew point at 61. Late tonight, that temperature will be closing in on that again, so tomorrow morning with light winds, can't rule out a little patchy valley fog once again around the Miami Valley. But tonight, as we look off to the south and east, Vicki Sifke and the New Carlisle area at 70 degrees, 67 reported by Michael Bell in Covington. And looking down to the south here, over in Eaton, Jim Shank calling in tonight with a temperature reading of 72, and Greg Shower 72 in Centerville. Pat Lecan up in Trotwood tonight at 70, and then 60s out into Greene County. Dennis Lowstetter in Cedarville at 68 degrees. So we're seeing mid and upper 60s across much of north central Ohio. Even Cincinnati's dropped off into the 60s now. A little more humidity down towards Louisville, and temperatures there still in the mid and upper 70s tonight, with a real muggy air located from Oklahoma, Kansas, up into Iowa, streaming northeastward into Wisconsin. And along that band of moisture, we've seen some thunderstorms flare up tonight with a cool front that's dropping south through the Great Lakes, but high pressure still controlling our weather is going to bring us some real nice weather as we roll on into tomorrow. Pleasant start to the day with temperatures mild in the morning, and then we'll see those readings climbing in the afternoon up into the mid-80s, but pretty close to seasonal norms. Now, that cool front will be dropping southward on Wednesday, and as it pushes through, we'll eventually see our winds turn more to the northeast as we go into Wednesday night and into Thursday, and a little bit of moisture moving along that front could bring us the chance for some rain. But otherwise, those temperatures tomorrow, looks like a nice warm day, mid-80s here, could even reach 87 degrees in Cincinnati, 87 in Charleston, but you can see some of that cooler air already arriving across the northern part of the state as we go through the day. And then Thursday itself, again, the chance of some scattered showers and thunder showers with that front right in our area just to the south, and then that'll be lifting back northward as a warm front at the end of the week as we go towards Friday. Tonight's low, upper 50s, low 60s over the Miami Valley with clear skies. Tomorrow, a nice warm day, up to 85 degrees with a mostly sunny start in the morning, and then skies becoming partly sunny in the afternoon. 63 at 8 o'clock, 73 at 10 a.m., 78 as you head out for lunch, and then we'll see those readings into the 80s during the afternoon. Should reach that peak right around 4 o'clock or so, up to 85. And anytime you want to check out the latest forecast graphics, we have them for you right there at WDTN.com, and also a look at Live Doppler 2X with your 7-day planner showing that increased chance of rain, especially Friday and into Saturday, mainly the first half of the day on Saturday, and then we'll be looking at much cooler conditions early next week. Check out the morning low on Monday, 50 degrees with a high around 70, so that's how we're going to wind up August, letting us